It can be very challenging to understand the regulatory structure applicable to the accounting profession. There are different boards responsible for different standards, and in turn, these report to different authorities. There are 8 attributes that provide guidance in identifying the existence of a profession. The one attribute that is of focus here is a high degree of autonomy and independence. This refers to the ability of the profession to set its own standards and regulate itself. Due to corporate failures and unprofessional conduct by some accountants, the accounting profession does not have full control over its regulation. Therefore, it is not a self-regulatory structure. The Australian government now plays an important part in the regulatory structure. As such, this is referred to as a co-regulatory structure, since it is co-regulated by the government and the profession. The accounting profession in Australia comprises 3 professional bodies, namely CPA Australia, Chartered Accountants Australia New Zealand, previously known as the Institute of Chartered Accountants Australia, and the Institute of Public Accountants, IPA. Each professional body has its own self-regulatory structure for monitoring compliance, setting minimum educational requirements, and disciplinary processes. CPA Australia and the Chartered Accountants Australia and New Zealand established the Accounting Professional and Ethics Standards Board, APESB. This board comprises members from all 3 professional bodies and is responsible for setting ethical standards, such as the Code of Professional Conduct. The government piece of the regulatory puzzle starts with the Australian Financial Reporting Council, FRC. The FRC is a government body. The FRC has 2 bodies that report directly to it. These are the Australian Accounting Standards Board, the AASB, and the Australian Auditing and Assurance Standards Board, the AUASB. The AASB is responsible for setting the accounting standards, while the AUASB is responsible for setting auditing and assurance standards. Therefore, accounting and auditing standards are not set by the profession, but are set and regulated by the government. That is, they have the full force of law, and failure to comply could have legal consequences. Now let's put all the regulatory pieces together. First, we have the government-regulated elements. That is the FRC, which in turn has the AASB and the AUASB reporting directly to it. The accounting and auditing standards set by the government. Next, we have the profession's self-regulated elements. That is the formation of the APASB, setting the ethical standards. The professional bodies that are required to comply with all the standards are the additional pieces. And finally, we have the individual professional accountants who are members of one or more of these professional bodies. The professional bodies self-regulate their members. Therefore, looking at this completed puzzle, you can see that the accounting profession is not solely regulated by itself. There's a strong government element as well.